Hi guys, my name is Ram Prasad. I am saying about the settler singly linked list. Let's see the program. Hash include stdio.h, hash include stdio.h, struct node into data, struct node star, next struct node star head, void insect bag, void insertion last, void insertion random, void delete bag, void delete last, void delete random, void main, int void choice is equals to 0 while choice is equals to 7. Printf n main menu. Printf choose an option from the following list. Printf n1 n dash and n is equals to n, and printf I by n1 insert in beginning, n2 insert in last, n3 from delete from beginning, n4 delete from last, n5 search for an element, n6 display, n7 exit, and printf enter your choice. Scanf n%d to unchoice, switch choice, case 1. Insertion bag, break, case 2. Insertion last, break, case 3. Delete bag, break, case 4. Delete last, break, case 5. Search, break, case 6. Display, break, case 7. Exit, break, default. Printf please enter valid choice, and void instruction bag. Struct node star ptr star temp. So int item ptr is equals to struct node star malloc size of struct node. If ptr is equals to null, printf overflow, else printf enter the data. Scanf %d item ptr minus greater than data is equals to item. If head is equals to null, head is equals to ptr. ptr minus greater than next is equals to head, else temp is equals to head, while temp minus greater than next is exclamatory is equals to head. Temp is equals to temp minus greater than next. ptr minus greater than next is equals to head. Temp minus greater than next is equals to ptr. ptr is equals to head is equals to ptr. Printf node inserted. Void in section last struct node star ptr star temp. Int temp ptr is equals to struct node star malloc star size of struct node. If ptr is equals to null, printf overflow, else printf enter data. Scanf and %d and item. ptr minus greater than data is equals to item. If head is equals to null, head is equals to ptr. ptr minus greater than next is equals to head, else temp is equals to head, while temp is minus greater than next is equals to head. Temp is equals to temp minus greater than next. Temp minus greater than next is equals to ptr. ptr minus greater than next is equals to head. Printf n node inserted and void delete bag. Struct node star ptr. If head is equals to null, printf n1 underflow, else if head minus greater than head is equals to next is equals to head, head is equals to null, free head. Printf node deleted, else ptr is equals to head, while ptr minus greater than next exclamatory is equals to head. ptr is equals to ptr minus greater than next. ptr minus greater than next is equals to head minus greater than next. Free head, head is equals to ptr minus greater than next. Printf node deleted. Void delete last. Struct node star ptr star free ptr. If head is equals to null, printf on n underflow, else if head minus greater than next is equals to head, head is equals to null, find head. Printf n node deleted, else ptr is equals to head, while ptr minus greater than next is equals to head. Free ptr is equals to ptr. ptr is equals to ptr minus greater than next. Free ptr is minus greater than next is equals to ptr minus greater than next. Free ptr printf n node deleted, void search. Struct node star ptr and item is equals to 0. Flag is equals to 1. ptr is equals to head. If ptr is equals to null, printf empty last, else printf enter the item which you want to search. Scanf %d and item. If head minus greater than data is equals to item, printf item found at location at %d I plus. Flag is equals to 0, else while ptr minus greater than next is equals to head. If ptr minus greater than data is equals to item, printf item found at location %d I plus 1. flag is equals to 0, break else flag is equals to 1. I plus PTR is equals to PTR minus greater than next. If flag exclamatory is equals to 0, printf item not found. Void display. Struct node star PTR, PTR is equals to head. If head is equals to null, PTR printf and list is empty. Else printf and printing values while PTR minus greater than next is equals to head. Printf %d and PTR minus greater than data. PTR is equals to PTR minus greater than next. Printf %d PTR minus greater than data. And let's run the program. And enter your choice 1. Enter the data 10. And enter your choice 2. Enter the data 20. And enter your choice. And enter your choice is 6. 6. And printing values 10, 20. Choose an option and enter your choice 3. And enter your choice 3 not deleted. And 4. Enter your choice not deleted. And searching for an element 5. And enter your choice 5 empty list. And again display. Enter your choice 6. List is empty. Thank you guys by watching my video.